Okay, recording started, by the way.
Okay.
Mm,
Yeah. I don't think there's a way.
I'm not sure you can approach this
It's 8:15.
this way.
Do I need to change it to sine square b plus cosine square b?
I think your this approach does not work. Okay, so but I really um appreciate your attempt. Okay, because I want to tell you, right, when you are given a question, because there are just too many ways to solve a question, right? So sometimes if you like try to approach it from this angle, and if it doesn't work out, right, then you should probably think from another angle. But your first attempt effort is appreciated. Okay, so I think you should get this into that I call it the R formula. Okay, so how do you get the R formula?
Wait. Could I could I just square both sides?
You square both sides.
Because I'll get
Also, yep. Okay, looks good. Looks good.
I'll get 1 plus
So actually, I'm helping you out. I'm writing here. I hope you can see. Can you?
yeah.
Yeah. Very good attempt by you. Better than the one I wanted to try. So this
1
is one,
plus
right? Yeah. Yeah. Pretty good. Yep. This is the right way. Yes.
sine 2b.
But what they want sine B and cosine B. Okay, good.
Wait, is that what I want?
You don't even need to write this way.
Yeah, I don't need that one.
Yeah.
I thought they wanted the value.
Mm.
So 2 b cosine b is equals to minus 1. They want sine b cosine b. One over 9 minus 1.
Oh, this is pretty cool.
4 over 9.
You know, these days they like dark mode. I don't know why. I don't know why dark mode is trending. I don't know.
I think it's nice.
You think dark mode is nice?
Yeah, it's less bright because sometimes my room can get pretty dark.
Okay. Then oh, okay, fine. Let me see.
Then I need cosecant b plus secant b.
So this is what dark mode looks like on my side. I don't know how it looks like on your side, but this is how it looks like on my side. Never mind, you continue. I'm just uploading some stuff.
Oh,
Can you see?
Yeah.
Can you see the dark mode already? Or is it dark mode or still white mode?
Is it a screenshot that you?
Yeah, it's a screenshot, but how come I
Yeah.
see it's
The,
still
my
white?
screenshot.
It's white
Oh, I think
background.
because it's inverted for you,
What do you mean?
so that you can actually see the screen. Because if yours is the same, wouldn't everything just blend in? For me, I see a black square.
Oh yeah, it's a black square. Yeah. Okay. So now I get it back to white background. So if it's white background now, then it's black in the picture. Okay.
Yeah.
If it's black background right now, then it'll be white. Yeah, got it. So I just, you know how I get it into this? Yeah, actually it's better for the eyes. Okay. It's better for the eyes to have the dark mode because it's less bright. Interesting. Okay.
Okay, I think that's it. That's 3 or 4.
Okay, good. Okay, so we're done with this page 8, right? Right?
Yeah.
Okay, so which page you want to talk about?
Maybe now binomial. Wait.
You want to extract that out so that both of us we are looking at the same page.
Is this one? No, it is this one. Wait, there's still more to go.
I think the next question 4 and 5, right? Is actually special angle for 4. Then 5 is I think R formula. Yes, I think we can try 5 because 4 I think it should be quite easy. Special angle. Yeah, just extract that out. Very good. Just drag it somewhere, which is not so cluttered. Let me see where you put. Okay, good. Very good. Probably okay. Good. Let's drag. I help you drag it further away from the clutter. Okay. Okay. Good. Now we can. Good. Question 5 instead of 4. Okay. Question 5.
OR is the distance between the floor of the wall and the base of the dustpan. OR 120 sine 50 cosine theta. Wait, this one is not in here, right? The sine rule and cosine rule. Oh, it is.
nggak sao cả là dùng ăn luôn ăn ở đây lúc nggak sao cả dùng ăn luôn ăn hay về phần này một cả sao cả một vấn đề nếu mà tao bắt dùng cái này cô thịt gì cái làm có ăn chưa hay chưa tình funny mo
Alright.
nothing where are you working on it
I don't know to. Am I supposed to start by separating this thing into two triangles? That is.
actually maybe but okay let's work on it together then yeah let's work on it together so given that OR is given 20 okay then between the foot and the wall and the base of the dustpan okay then show that OR is here right
Yeah.
right so you have a theta here okay if you have a theta here and you try to split this way like you suggest just now okay hold on it's fine I want to get a straight line I don't know why they give you a curve okay good now I can make use of this you suggest draw a line here to here right
Yeah.
okay good so in this case you are breaking the theta
Yeah. That's why I don't. I don't think I should do that.
yeah I don't think you should break the theta okay you probably want to does this work no okay let's continue to read this question interesting uh theta 180 okay this I think if you do it this way is there a 90 degree here okay so if you like parallel
Okay.
so you get something
But how would that help with the OR?
Alright, it doesn't help. Okay, it doesn't help. So what about let's follow yours.
But then my oh wait.
Let's follow your idea. Connect this. Hey, hold on. Can we extend this? Extend it and hit here. Okay. So I think this one helps. Yes. Do you
The
think
extender one.
extend this?
Yeah.
So I add the red line here, then just probably just make it thicker. Okay. Okay, it helps. Why? Okay,
Is it
so
making a big triangle?
yes. So I think it helps. So this is 120, and this is 20. Okay, okay, hold on, just let's work on this together. Okay, this is 120. So this is theta. So this is 90 minus theta, right? So
Yeah.
if this is 90, this that means this is theta. Okay. So if this is theta, I think we can figure out this part already. This part. Um, let me use a different color. I think you can figure out this part and this part. Eh, how come it's always red? Let me choose another color. I think you can figure out this part and this part. Okay.
Yeah.
So in a way, let me just so this is 20, and this is theta, right? So this is your theta. This is the opposite. This is your adjacent, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So and then eh? No, this is a hypotenuse because this is the longer side, right?
Yeah.
So you have your A. So so opposite. Okay, so tangent theta is equal to O over A, which is 20. So O is equal to tangent theta 20, which is this part. This part, right?
Wait, how do you? Can you say that again?
Eh? I get this entire thing. I get this entire thing into this part.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. So tangent theta is O over A, right? Yeah. So tangent theta is O over A. Adjacent is our 20. This is our hypotenuse.
Oh. Eh.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, the 90 degrees is.
So sine
I didn't put the
theta,
90.
this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree because this is 90 degree. They're next
Yeah.
to each other.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So therefore sine theta is equal to O over H, right? So okay, I don't know, I need to use cosine, I'm sorry. A over H. So A over H, A is 20, H is H, I need to find. So H is equal to car, right? It's A over H, right? Okay, so 20 over cosine theta, which is my H, which is this.
Okay.
Right.
Then now you need to find it for the bigger one, is it?
So the bigger one is yes, the bigger one is
Um, you do the same thing with the theta.
so
Wait,
the bigger one is
you find tangent. Tangent theta is opposite over 120.
yeah, how let's work together. I'm a bit lost. I don't know why I'm doing it and I'm a bit lost now.
Then tangent theta O over 120 means O is equals to 120 tangent theta.
Your this O is which O you are referring to?
This whole thing.
Okay. Yes.
So the OR is equals to
But hold on.
120.
Your this whole thing should be 120 plus the tangent theta 20.
Alright.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay. 20 tangent theta plus tangent square theta 20.
Tangent times, okay, tangent
No,
square.
shouldn't 20 be in front of the tangent square?
Sure.
That means OR 20 tangent theta plus 20.
But Dinesh, let me be frank with you. For 2 marks, if I have to do so many things, I will just skip and I will just straight away express it in this form. It's not worth the effort. Okay? So in a way, right, we need to be exam smart. Okay? So how to be exam smart is if you cannot figure it out, 2 marks is not worth the effort. You just straight away do the 4 marks. Okay? So when you have the time, then you come back and then you try to figure out these 2 marks.
Okay.
Okay? So okay, of course I want you to be able to solve all questions, but we have to be exam smart. Seriously, exam smart is much more important than just do it from 1 to 10. All right? Okay? So shall we not just bother with this proving part? Let's just get it into this format first. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, I can even take this the part A back and then just some probably I can. By the way, now my brain is a bit congested, so it's not too good to do the. You can also take it back and then try to do it also. Part A.
Okay.
Okay, but let's focus on the express QR OR in the form of this format first.
Oh
Alright?
yeah. My teacher said for the exam, right?
Yes.
What's it called? Kinematics will not be tested,
Mm-hmm.
and for our formula,
Mm-hmm.
the R we can straight away use the formula instead of like deriving it on the question itself.
Yeah. Actually, R, right? R is very easy for you to find it. But the important part is A. I mean alpha.
Yeah.
R I think is always tangent something. Yeah. Eh?
You know, it's the square root one what?
Yeah, there's the square root. Yeah, sorry. R actually is very easy to find. The A is the but are you given the formula? That's the problem.
Oh no, we have to know it, but we don't have to like prove because last time we have to always show how we get the R and A.
No, actually you don't have to. Okay, I don't know what do you mean by you don't have to show, but for me I have to. Okay, since I cannot remember any formula, so I just get it on the. I mean, I just have to do it on the spot. I think we tried this one out last time, right? It's R. Then you have sine theta, cosine alpha.
Yeah,
Then,
but I don't have to show that working like in the actual exam.
So you don't show this working, how do you get it then?
I don't know. He just said use the.
I agree with you. You don't have to show this, but if without showing this, how do you get it? Given that you cannot remember the formula, or I cannot remember the formula.
I think we have to remember.
Okay, if you have to remember, okay, good. Can you tell me the formula now?
I don't remember.
You see, actually, it's worth 4 mark. It's worth 4 mark, right? You know what? It's worth 4 mark. So might as well 4 mark. Usually, you are allowed to spend like 6 minutes.
Okay.
Okay, so might as well just do it on the spot.
Okay.
Because sometimes you try to memorize and you just memorize it wrongly and then gone.
Okay.
Right? Okay, so you get this. I think this looks pretty good. This one is your 120 sine theta, and this one is your 20 cosine theta. And I think you can see that
R cosine theta is 120.
cosine A is 120, then R sine A is 20, right?
Yeah.
So for so you just take this is 1, this is 2, so 2 divided by 1 and you will get sine A over cosine A equals to 20 over 120. Tangent A is equal to 1 over 6. That's how you get your alpha. Okay? Alright?
Okay.
Done. And then how do you get R? You get R by doing you square 1. You square 1 is R square cosine square A. Then this is 120 square. and you square 2 is r square sine square a equals to 20 square, right? And then you just plus these two together. You just plus these two together. I mean plus, yes, not two. So you plus these two together, you have r squared cosine square a plus r squared sine square a. Then you just plus these two together. Okay? Then you just take out r squared, you have cosine square theta of a plus sine square a. And then you just have this. So this one is 1. So it's r squared equals to 120 squared plus 20 squared. Actually, without explaining to you, actually I can speed up a lot, but I don't want to. So in a way, I think it's worth the. Since you and me, we cannot remember the formula, so this is your r, and that's how you get your a.
Okay.
Does it make sense to you now?
Yeah.
So you want to memorize the formula? By all means, go ahead. But for me, 4 marks, I think it's worth to just get it on the spot. Because I remember one student some years ago, he tried to remember the formula, and in the end, during the exam, he remembered it wrongly. And then this question is wrong because he remembered it wrongly.
Oh.
So the benefit of doing it on the spot, right, then it's hard to make mistakes.
Okay.
Actually, the r is the simplest to find. You just take the value and square it, the value and square it, just square root it. R is the easiest to find, actually. Okay? Good. So that's how you get this one. Then let's take the maximum value of this. I think it's pretty easy to get the maximum, right? How? Can you find out what is r? Can you help me find out what is r?
Oh.
Because we need it for the part below. Give me in terms of square root. Is it nice number?
Oh, wait, I'm checking now.
Yeah.
Oh, it's not a nice number.
Never mind, just square root what?
Square root, wait, 120 square plus 20 square. Square root 14,800.
14,800. This one, right?
Yeah.
Very good. So what is your a? Tangent a equals to 1 over 6.
Tangent inverse 1 over 6. I don't know.
Sure. Just one decimal, please.
It's in degree, right?
Yep,
So
degree.
it should be 9.5, 1 dp.
Okay, good. So